Today I'm going to show you some combos using a carry-through transition for the zero kicks that we've already learned. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony Medina and welcome to Upraiz Tricking. The channel's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we'll be going over the last set of combos that you'll be learning for level 1.5, as well as going over the carry-through transition for the first time. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your third set of combos for this level. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. A carry-through transition is anytime you land a trick with one leg, make an adjustment, and then take off with that same leg into another trick. And remember, a transition is not a trick itself, it's just the movement that happens in between two tricks. First combo that we're going to get in today is a spin swing zero round to a spin swing zero hook. You're going to do your spin swing zero round and land in a front side stance and keep your kicking leg off the ground, and from there you're set up to do your spin swing zero hook. But make sure you're doing the spin on one foot. The second combo we're going to get in today is a spin swing zero round to a spin swing zero round. So you're going to do your spin swing zero round and follow through to a backside stance and keep your kicking leg off the ground, and from there you're set up to do your second spin swing zero round. But again, make sure you're doing the spin on one foot. Third combo is going to be a spin cheat zero hook to a spin cheat zero round. So you're going to do your spin cheat zero hook and land in a backside stance, keep your kicking leg off the ground, and then you're set up to throw your spin cheat zero round. The last combo is going to be a spin cheat zero hook to a spin cheat zero hook. So you can do your spin cheat zero hook and follow through to a front side stance. Keep your kicking leg off the ground, and from there you're going to hop around to your second spin cheat zero hook. If you're having any trouble with these combos, I recommend that you just work on them slowly, and then as they get a little bit easier, you can add a little bit more speed and power. Let's go ahead and check those out one more time. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to support Upraiz Tricking just a little bit more, you can visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. And just by pledging $1 a month, you give me the ability to keep this curriculum going. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be moving on to level 1.6, which is going to be going over the basic flips for this curriculum. And it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz.